The sun hasn't even fully touched the horizon yet. The noise inside your head is already deafening. I know that feeling. The sudden, heavy weight in your chest, the very second your eyes open. It's the what-if cycle. What if I fail today? What if I'm not enough? What if the worst happens? It is exhausting, isn't it? To wake up already tired from a war that hasn't even started yet. If you feel like your heart is racing before your feet have even touched the floor, I want you to stay right here. Don't move. You are not losing your mind. You are simply carrying too much of a future that doesn't exist. This space is different. In these next 10 minutes, we aren't going to fix your life because you aren't broken. We are simply going to put the noise down just for a moment. Stay with me. Let's breathe into the truth of right now. Take a deep, slow breath. Not because you have to, but because you deserve the space. As you inhale, notice where that anxiety lives in your body. Is it a knot in your stomach? A tightness in your throat? Don't push it away. Just acknowledge it, like a friend who is lost. Those what-if thoughts are like ghosts. They have no power in the light of the present. Feel the weight of your body pressing against the chair or the bed. This is the earth holding you. The earth doesn't ask for your resume. It doesn't care about the mistakes you made yesterday. It just supports you unconditionally. Notice your toes, your heels, the palms of your hands. Move your awareness away from the chaotic theater of your mind and down into the solid reality of your bones. Every time a what-if pulls you toward a scary tomorrow, anchor yourself back here. Inhale, I am here. Exhale, I am safe. The future is just a story you are telling yourself. But your breath, this breath, is the only reality that matters. Now, let's go deeper into the stillness within every cell of your body. There is an ancient wisdom that knows how to heal. You have spent so long trying to prove your worth to a world that is never satisfied. You've been running a race with no finish line. But listen to the vibration of this moment. You have done enough. You have survived every single worst day of your life so far. You are not a project to be finished or a problem to be solved. You are a living, breathing miracle. Imagine a warm golden light, the frequency of 528 hertz, washing over you like a gentle tide. This is the miracle tone, and it is whispering to your nervous system that it is okay to let go. You don't need to earn your place on this planet. You were born worthy. Let that truth sink into your skin. Let the tension in your jaw melt. You are allowed to be peaceful. You are allowed to love the person in the mirror, flaws and all. Those flaws are just the gold filling in your cracks, making you stronger and more beautiful than before. Look ahead now, not with the eyes of fear, but with the eyes of vision. Picture yourself in the year 2026. See that version of you, the one who has mastered the art of returning to the self. You look calmer. Your shoulders are relaxed. You've stopped running because you finally realized you've already arrived. Anchor that feeling in your heart right now. This is not just a dream. It is a blueprint for your soul as you prepare to step into your day. Carry this focus with you. But I know that sometimes the world tries to pull us back into the noise. If you feel the need to protect this peace, to let this frequency guard your spirit while you rest or work, I have prepared a deeper sanctuary for you. Just beyond this moment, a 3-hour deep sleep journey with a black screen is waiting. It is a space of pure, uninterrupted healing to ensure this calm stays with you all through the night. Click through to that space now. Let the journey continue. You are safe, you are loved, and above all, you are enough.